Hey there, fifth grade violins. So today we got to learn the E string notes, and I just wanted to review those with you and give you a chance to go over those again. So I'm on page 38 in the book, and that's where we've got the chart at the top that shows where our fingers are going to go on the E string, and there's also a picture like taken from the side of your instrument, kind of like this way, or actually I guess it's this way for you guys, of where the fingers should go and what they would look like for each of those notes. So I like to do these in different order than they are in the book, so be warned. But I will start with number 156. The note there in the top space, that's E, so that's just my open E string. So you could play number 156. It's all open E, all right? Next, if I add my first finger, that's going to go on my first finger tape. Make sure it's right there. That's an F sharp. And we can talk later someday about why it's sharp and not natural, but just know that's an F sharp. If you take a look down at number 159, so I'm skipping down a couple, you see that F sharp is written on the top line of the staff. That's an F sharp, should sound like this. So here's my open E, here's my F sharp. Awesome. Now, the next finger I'm going to add is my second finger, and it's a low 2. Notice when I play low 2, there is no space between my first and second finger. This would be high 2, not going to work. Low 2. And that is a G natural, or just plain old regular G. And if you look at number 158, you see that it's written actually in the space just above the staff. So we've got our 5 lines of staff, and then it's sitting on top. So we call that the space above. They've got a down arrow on 158 to remind you it's a low 2, not a high 2. Should sound like this. So there's my G natural. So again, let's review. Open is E. First finger is F sharp. Low 2 is G. And then if I add my third finger on the third finger tape, that's going to give me an A. So notice what my hand looks like right now. I've got first finger on the tape, second finger's low, third finger on the third finger tape. That's a big space, isn't it, between my second and third finger? Some of you might want to end up having it there, and that's not cool. Want it all the way up there on that third finger tape. That's the A. Sounds like this. And if you look at song number 157, that's what the A looks like. You notice they actually added a line above the staff. We call that a ledger line. You can do that. You're allowed to do that. That's where that A goes. Just like when we did some G string notes, we added them below the staff. Here's one above the staff. So let's review. Open is E. First finger F sharp. Low 2 G. Third finger A. What do you think fourth finger would be? That's a B. You got it. And that one you got to jump across to the next page. It's on 164. You can see what the high B looks like. It's actually the space just above that added ledger line. So we add a line, space above that. That's where that B goes on the staff. All right, so there are your E string notes. I think now you're probably ready that you can explore each of the songs on page 38. You can also play the G major scale, number 161, in your upper octave like we talked about in class today. And yeah, so there's your E string notes.